Hello friends, welcome to our second lecture of easing workflow. Now, here we are going to work with multiple objects. So for this, let me create few rectangles. Rectangle 1, this is rectangle 2. Let me change its fill color to something else. Let me create another rectangle, say this one, say green. Okay. Now, say for example, you want to bring this orange rectangle at the top. How you will do that? For that, select this object. And how you can select one object? By using the selection tool. So first, select the selection tool, select this object. Now right click, and here you will see an option arrange. And here under arrange you will see many options. I mean 4 options. Bring to front. It will bring your object to the front. Let me open this layers panel. See, this is the layers panel. If you can't see this window, you can go to the window menu and make sure layers panel is checked, and it will be somewhere around here. Okay, so let me grab it. So this is layer 1, right? And under it we are having 3 objects. This green one is at the top because we have created this object at last. Next we have this red one, this is the one, and at last we have this orange rectangle. So we want to move it, we want to bring it to front. So how you can do that? You can do that in 2 ways. One, just by manually dragging it at the top of the layer, that we will see but later on. Let me show you the second trick that we'll be using in our course often. Right click on the object, arrange option is there, and let's click on bring to front. You will notice 2 things. One thing is this object will come to the front and this layer will automatically go to the top. See, arrange, bring to front, and see. Now this object is at the top. Again, let's right click, arrange, and let's click on send backward. What it will do, it will just move it one layer down, one sub layer down here, you can say. It will go just after this green rectangle. Let's take a look. Let's click on send backward and see. It is just after this rectangle, and this green rectangle is at the top. Now again, right click on our orange object, arrange, send backward. Now it's again went back to its previous state. Now we will see drag and drop. So make sure this layer is selected, drag it and bring it to top, and now it's automatically at the top. So what are the options that we have seen? Arrange, bring to front, send backward, and now let's take a look at send to back. Now it is at the top, right? Now let's right click, go to arrange, send to back, and as the name suggests, it will send this object to the back. And I think you have already guessed this bring forward option. What it will do, it will move one layer up. See, now it's above this red rectangle but below this green rectangle. So this is how we will work with objects, for arranging objects. Okay, so till now we have shared 2 tips. One is selecting and moving objects, and another is arranging objects. So here we are covering the concepts. I think you are getting the concept, right? If you have any issue understanding, please feel free to let me know. Thank you guys. Here I'm concluding this lecture. In our next lecture, we will take a look at another trick that will also help you in your projects or in your workflow. So see you in the next lecture. Till then, have fun. Take care.